okay, I would definitely start there, because that's honestly where I had to start,
Right.
and then begin to build upon that. Now, okay, now I can go invest in this opportunity. Now I can go do this. Now I can go do that.
Mhm.
Once I have that solid foundation in place.
You can see how a lot of people fail because it's a lot to know.
Mhm.
It's a lot to
It's
know,
really.
and you have to be really, really careful.
Mhm.
And a lot of people, a lot of businesses go out. They go out of business because they make the wrong decisions when it comes to some of these investments and some of these ways of ensuring their money
Mhm.
or making sure they're in the right place. I know a lot of people, they say to deal with the credit unions more than dealing with larger banks, because the credit unions, they'll maybe know you more. They'll feel like they have a closer relationship with you,
Mhm.
and building off that relationship, you should be able to get the loans that you may need when you're trying to get build your business to another faction. It's harder to get those loans
Yeah.
when people are not feeling that they will get a loan from a bank.
Mhm.
A lot of people say that it's almost impossible to get these
Mhm.
loans from these banks, and most people get turned down.
Yep.
You may have a great idea and you've written it out great, still won't get the money
Yeah.
that you need.
Yeah.
So having these ways of building funds and having others can how can others invest in what you're doing when you're doing these infinite banks?
Yeah, yeah, and I always tell people, start where you are. So even though yes, the bank or the credit union, they might have turned you down. Like I said, like we provide what I like to call, just an alternative way of doing banking. So rather than having to go through the process of all the paperwork and okay, yeah, we still need, 6 more quarts of blood. Yeah, we still need your child's
Hmm.
information. Yeah, we'll actually need, your next 2 children after that, and then
Right.
and then after that, then we'll give you the loan. So like I said, like it's really, like I said, it's more so just okay, what are other ways, that I can go about, getting the financing that I need. How can I take control of this? How can I become the banker myself, rather than having to
Yeah.
depend on the credit union or the banker or a hard money lender or private money lender? How can I do that myself? So that's
Yeah.
that's actually one of the ways that we show people how to do that, have that multitasking dollar. Yeah.
Man, I think we would be giving you a call. So for real, I know we're half an hour into on this, but we got a couple more questions and then we're going to go to a quick break.